friends, this is the 12 days of DIY. Our hosts are Rustic and Lace DIY and Molly Cole Creates. Please check out the playlist in my description box as well as their channels in my description box, and it will also be placed in the comments. So you can easily go from video to other videos on the playlist from my description box or the comment section. If you haven't, please join the family and subscribe, because you will be finding 12 new DIYs in the next 12 days. Okay, I'm going to start by popping the label off. Just like that. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to pop these off. We're taking the string out because we don't need that. And I'm going to just pop these off. Okay, so we have these 3 pieces, and I just decided to turn that over because I couldn't get those popped off. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint this, and I'm going to paint this. And you could either put a hole in this to hang it, and you could flip it, which I may do it that way, and or not. But what we're doing is we're making elf boots, an elf stocking for a candy dish for my elf theme display. Okay, now we're going to add some detail because he's got to have, you know, wild, his leggings has got to be a little wild. So we'll just do some fun, weird stripes on it. Remember, he's an elf. No, I wouldn't wear leggings that look like this. But remember, he's an elf. My mom, yeah, she'd wear leggings like this in any time of the day. Because she liked anything loud, flashy, and crazy colored. There's our part and not been so bad. I could have wrote naughty on one side and nice on the other and hung it with a ribbon. But it didn't do that, so my family's going to just be naughty this year. Either naughty or nice this year. I just have to make up my mind which one. Well, let's say they're nice. We will add a bead of glue here and add our stockings, our elf socks back on. Then we'll turn it over. And since our sign didn't do very well, we'll just say we're nice. Our family's nice. We'll add that to the front. If your family's naughty, make sure to put your family's naughty. And then we're going to add this to our crate because that'll be what holds our candy, because this is going to be a candy dish. Here is our elf stockings. And yes, it's a candy dish with our favorite candy in it. I guess I need to repaint the back. That's the only thing I didn't do. But I think it's going to turn out really cute. I think it's really cute from the front.